talk about showing and hiding forms rows. So let's talk about showing and hiding forms rows. SwiftUI let us add and remove items from a form as needed, which is particularly helpful when you want to adjust the text of options that are visible based on previous choice. So first of all, we're going to create on this example and consider on this example command and which has SwiftUI view and which have a hiding forms. Form element example. So first of all, we're going to create on the state property which have state property var, and this is a advanced option show. Advanced option which is type of bool and is equal to false initial, in this value false. We're going to get on the another state property show state private var enable enable which is type of bool and is equal to false. And first of all, we're going to create on this form and we're going to create on this section and we're going to create on this toggle. Suppose we're going to apply on this toggle, and in this toggle we're going to apply on this, in this toggle is advanced option show, and we're going to apply is on bind on this property advanced option. We're going to resume on this application advanced option show, and we're going to apply on this condition if condition in this section if advanced option other in this condition otherwise true. We're going to create on this text. Suppose the first text is SwiftUI, and we're going to apply on this property. So this is we're going to apply on this property last title, and we're going to apply on this weight is bold, and we're going to apply on this color is red. Okay, we're going to same text on this copy, and we're going to apply on this multiple text use in this usage. SwiftUI, suppose this is the UI kit framework, and we're going to apply on this core data framework. This is a framework in this Apple and SwiftUI. We're going to apply on this red, green, and we're going to apply on this yellow. Okay, and we're going to apply on this next condition. In this condition, next condition we're going to apply on if enable is otherwise enable is true, and we're going to create on this image. And we're going to apply on this image D, and we're going to apply on this resizable, and we're going to apply dot frame 150 width and 150 heights. Remove this alignment in this image, and we're going to apply on this corner radius 15.0 in this we apply, and we're going to apply on this next toggle. So in this toggle we're going to show on this image, show image, and we're going to apply on this comma is on, and we're going to bind on this property enable, and in this toggle otherwise another sections. So not apply on this section but is used. We're going to advanced option show SwiftUI UI kit core data show image, so and we're going to apply show image show. This is image show in the advanced option, and SwiftUI UI kit core data this is, and hide on this show option, show and this show in this option. So SwiftUI let us add and remove items from a form as needed, which is particularly helpful when you want to adjust the of option that are visible based on previous choice. This is the previous choice. We're going to show on this option advanced show option, show image option in this advanced show option. So in this tutorial show on this another option. So thank you for watching this latest my channel, and like my video and like subscribe my channel.